The dream of a united Africa is as old as the continent's struggle for freedom. As colonial flags were lowered one by one in the mid-20th century, newly independent nations faced a sobering reality. Alone, each was small, fragile, and easily exploited. The political map bequeathed by empire was a patchwork of artificial borders, dividing peoples and economies that had once been connected. The leaders of that era understood that true liberation would not be found in isolated sovereignty, but in collective strength. This vision gave birth to a new architecture of cooperation. From the ashes of the Organization of African Unity, OAU, rose the African Union, a continent-wide body with the ambition to drive a shared agenda for peace and prosperity. Alongside it, a web of regional economic communities, RECs, emerged, designed to tackle integration at a more practical, geographically focused level. Among the most important of these are the Southern African Development Community, SADC, and the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA. Together, these organizations represent a layered, pragmatic approach to a continent-sized challenge, building a new Africa, brick by cooperative brick. If you're enjoying this journey through history, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more stories to life. Shield the African Union, the continent's strategic compass. The African Union stands as the premier political and strategic body for the entire continent. Formed in 2002 as the successor to the OAU, it was designed to be more proactive, moving beyond a non-interference charter to one that actively champions peace, development, and Africa's collective voice in the world. Its importance is felt on multiple fronts. Perhaps its most critical role is in peace and security. The O is the primary architect of the African Peace and Security Architecture, APSA, a framework for conflict prevention, mediation, and intervention. Through its Peace and Security Council, the O has deployed peace support missions to some of the continent's most volatile regions, from Somalia to Sudan, often stepping in when the international community hesitates. This African Solutions to African Problems approach is a cornerstone of its mandate, building local capacity and ownership over security challenges. Economically, the O is spearheading the most ambitious integration project in the continent's history, the African Continental Free Trade Area, AfCFTA. By creating a single continental market for goods and services, the AfCFTA aims to boost intra-African trade, which currently languishes at around 15% of total trade, far below levels seen in Europe or Asia. A World Bank report highlights the enormous potential, noting that the AfCFTA could increase intra-Africa trade by 15 to 25%, lifting millions out of poverty and accelerating industrial growth. The O is the driving force behind this historic initiative, providing the political will and strategic framework for its implementation. Finally, on the global stage, the O provides Africa with a unified, powerful voice. Its 2023 admission as a full member of the G20 is a landmark achievement, granting the continent a permanent seat at the table where global economic policy is shaped. This allows the O to advocate for African interests on issues ranging from climate change and debt restructuring to international trade rules, ensuring the continent is no longer a bystander but a key player. Handshake SADC, Southern Africa's engine of stability and growth. If the O is the continent's brain, SADC is one of its most muscular arms. Focused on the southern sub-region, its 16 member states work together to achieve a shared future of peace, prosperity, and industrial development. The organization has evolved from a liberation movement, the Southern African Development Coordination Conference, SADCC, formed in 1980 to reduce dependence on apartheid South Africa, into a full-fledged development community in 1992. Today, SADC's importance is anchored in two key pillars: economic integration and regional peacekeeping. On the economic front, SADC is driving industrialization through the SADC Industrialization Strategy and Roadmap, which prioritizes infrastructure development as a core pillar of integration. Major projects like the North-South Economic Corridor are expected to unlock significant economic potential, with estimates suggesting it could generate $16.1 billion in GDP and create 1.6 million jobs. The bloc has set ambitious targets, aiming to raise intra-regional trade from around 23% to 35% by 2025, a goal that requires concerted effort to dismantle persistent non-tariff barriers. However, SADC's most distinctive contribution is its role in maintaining regional peace and security. The region has been a beacon of relative stability in a turbulent continent. SADC has deployed missions to conflict zones, such as the SADC mission in the Democratic Republic of Congo, SAMIDRC, and the now-concluded mission in Mozambique's Cabo Delgado province, SAMIM, which successfully paved the way for the return of over 600,000 internally displaced persons. This willingness to intervene militarily, combined with a strong political commitment to conflict resolution, makes SADC an indispensable actor in preventing and managing crises in southern Africa. Globe COMESA, the gateway to a borderless market. COMESA, Africa's largest regional economic community by membership, focuses intensely on the nuts and bolts of trade facilitation. With 21 member states stretching from Libya to Eswatini, its goal is to create a fully integrated, competitive, and prosperous economic region. It is the most trade-focused of the three organizations, and its achievements are concrete and measurable. COMESA's core importance lies in its relentless pursuit of trade liberalization. It has established a free trade area where member states have eliminated tariffs on a significant portion of goods. Its Trade and Customs Committee has developed key instruments that guide Africa's integration efforts. In a groundbreaking move, COMESA launched a digital retail payments platform in 2025, allowing businesses to settle cross-border transactions directly in local currencies, a game changer that cuts costs and reduces reliance on the US dollar. This digital innovation is a prime example of how COMESA is modernizing trade to make it more accessible, especially for small and medium enterprises, SMEs. Furthermore, COMESA serves as a vital building block for the continental agenda. It has adopted a strategy to help its members effectively implement the AU's AFCFTA, reinforcing its role as a key pillar of the African Economic Community. COMESA also actively works to bridge the gap between different regional blocs. It is a key partner in the Tripartite Free Trade Area, TFTA, alongside SADC and the East African Community, EAC. This mega-bloc, which came into force in July 2024, creates a vast market of 26 countries with a combined GDP of $1 trillion and a population of around 700 million, demonstrating how overlapping regional organizations can synergize rather than compete. Building construction. The overlapping architecture, strength and challenge the relationship between the O, SADC, and COMESA is not hierarchical but complementary. The O sets the continent-wide vision, SADC focuses on the unique challenges of the South, and COMESA drives practical trade integration across a vast swath of Eastern and Southern Africa. Their overlapping membership, with many countries belonging to both SADC and COMESA, is a recognized challenge, leading to duplication of efforts and administrative burdens. Yet, it also creates multiple pathways for integration. The TFTA is a direct response to this overlap, seeking to harmonize and merge the efforts of these major blocs into a single, seamless market. From the quiet diplomacy of the O to the peacekeeping missions of SADC and the digital trade platforms of COMESA, these organizations are the living embodiment of the Pan-African dream. They are the vehicles through which African nations are pooling their resources, amplifying their voice, and building a future defined not by colonial borders, but by shared prosperity and collective security. The journey is long, but the architecture is in place, and the direction is clear. Forward, together. Thank you for watching. If you found this history valuable, please like and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective and keep the conversation going.